Hello friends, today we will discuss one numerical related to evaluation measures for an IR system. So let us first go through the problem. So the problem says that evaluate the performance of following IR system. 10 documents are responded by the system with respect to a query. The relevance of a document is marked by yes or no sign. So correct mark indicates that the document is relevant. The cross sign indicates that it is not relevant. Consider that the number of relevant documents for this query as per the gold standard is 5. So in the repository of search engine or an IR system, the number of relevant documents with respect to this query is 5. So the task to be done is determine average precision, precision recall break-even point, and precision recall curve for this system. And this is the problem. So here we can see that 10 documents have been responded by the search engine and they are marked with their relevance or irrelevance. So let us start. So in order to determine the evaluation matrix for such a system, it is not similar to the traditional classification system where for a particular value we have a single precision and recall measures. So in such systems we are supposed to calculate precision and recall values at each rank position. So here in this example we have been given 10 different rank position. First rank indicates that the first document which is at rank 1. Okay, so it is a highest rated or highest ranked document as per the search engine or system. So we will begin with the calculation of precision and recall at each rank position. Okay, so let us start. So I will first determine the precision. So as we know that there are 10 documents in our response set and the first document is relevant. Okay, and in order to determine the precision, the formula is out of the total number of retrieved documents so far, how many are relevant. So I would say that at the first rank position, one document has been retrieved so far and one of them has been relevant. Okay, so the precision value will be 1 by 1, that is 100%. Same way, the precision at rank position 2 is 2 by 2, that is 100%. Out of 2 retrieved documents so far at rank position 2, both of them are relevant. So if we go in the same manner, we can quickly list all the precision values. This will be 2 by 3, this will be 3 by 4, this will be 3 by 5, 3 by 6, 4 by 7, 4 by 8, 4 by 9, and 5 by 10. So this is our precision values at different rank positions. Okay, so once we obtain these values, let us go for the recall values. So again, what will be the formula to obtain recall values? As we know that there are 5 documents in the gold standard with the gold standard label. So out of those 5 relevant documents, how many our system is able to report in the response set, okay, at each rank position, that will be the recall. So if we note down at the first rank position, first document is relevant, means out of 5, one of them has been retrieved, so the recall will be 1 by 5. For the second rank position, it will be 2 by 5. At third rank position also 2 by 5, because Out of those 3, only 2 have been retrieved. So going in the same manner, we can write 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, and 5 by 5. So here we are fortunate enough that in the very last document, in the last rank, we could obtain the fifth and the last relevant document. So this becomes our precision and recall value at different rank position depending on our system's performance. Okay, so now this information will be useful for us to determine various evaluation measures. So let us start first by calculating the average precision value for our system. So average precision value can be calculated by taking an average of all the precision values at which we found a relevant document. So here we can see that we are finding the relevant document at rank position 1, 2, 4, 7 and 10. So we have 5 different positions at which we found relevant documents. So we will take average of these 5 documents, these 5 precision values, which will be considered as average precision. So average precision is given by sigma of precision at those rank positions where we found a relevant document divided by total number of relevant documents. Okay, so we can see that the precision at first and second position is 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 75 plus 57 plus 50 divided by 5. So this total becomes 382. 382 divided by 5. So our precision is 76.4. Okay, this is our average precision value for this system. So this is the first evaluation measure. Okay, now let us determine another measure, which is precision recall break even point. Once again, remember that to calculate any such measure we will require this table. Okay, because it is the fundamental table, fundamental details, which is useful to calculate all the measures. So we want break even point. So as you might be knowing that break even point is the point at which precision and recall values are equal. Okay, so the rank position at which precision and recall values are equal. So you can see here that at rank position 5 both precision and recall values are 60%. Okay, so we can say that rank position 5 is the break even point. Okay, so that is our second measure. Now let us go for the third measure, which is the most important measure, which is the precision recall curve. So precision recall curve is a measure. It is actually a graph in which the horizontal axis are the 11 standard recall points which are equidistant starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay, these 11 standard points of recall are considered, and with respect to these 11 standard points we are supposed to plot the 11 precision points. Okay, so for that we will have to again prepare one kind of table which will give us the value of different precisions at these 11 recall values. Okay, so let us do that. So I is the rank position, recall or R of I is one of the 11 standard points, and precision at that particular point. Okay, so let me first note down these points. Okay, these are 10 points. Okay, where is 11th point? It is actually rank position 0. Okay, at 0th recall. So now we want to find out the precision at these values, right? So a simple method to calculate this is again to look at this table, okay, and go in a reverse manner. Means what? We want to start from recall equal to 100%. So I want to find out when recall was 100%, what was the precision of our system. Okay,